On the occasion of Breastfeeding Awareness Month, we have with us expert doctor, Dr. Vaishali Patil, consultant gynecologist, Medicare Hospital, Gulbarga. So doctor, can you tell us why breastfeeding is so important for both mothers and babies?
Breastfeeding provides essential nutrients and antibodies that help to protect babies from infections and diseases. It promotes healthy growth and development, and it's beneficial for mothers as well. It reduces the risk of certain cancers and helps with postpartum recovery also. Breastfeeding also fosters a strong emotional bond between mother and child. Firstly, the act of breastfeeding releases oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, which enhances maternal bonding and feelings of love and attachment. Secondly, the close physical contact and skin-to-skin touch during breastfeeding promote a sense of security and comfort for the baby. Thirdly, the eye contact and interaction between mother and baby during breastfeeding strengthen emotional connections and communication. And lastly, the regular intimate interaction helps in recognizing and responding to the baby's needs more effectively, further deepening the bond.
What is the ideal duration of breastfeeding? For how many months should a baby be breastfed?
The World Health Organization recommends exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months of life. After 6 months, along with the introduction of solid foods, breastfeeding should continue up to 2 years or even beyond that, as it provides essential nutrients and strengthens the immune system.
That's wonderful. How would you describe the current breastfeeding scenario in India?
In India, breastfeeding is a common practice, but there are significant challenges. While a majority of mothers initiate breastfeeding, exclusive breastfeeding rate for the first 6 months are lower than recommended. This is due to the various factors such as lack of proper knowledge, inadequate support systems, and societal pressures.
What are some of the major challenges that mothers face and how can they be addressed?
The most important challenges that many mothers face is insufficient milk supply, leading to insufficient feeding. This can happen because sometimes a mother's breast milk production does not meet an infant's nutritional need. But there is no need to worry. There are several remedies available over-the-counter supplements can help boost milk's production. Additionally, Ayurvedic supplements have been known to be effective in increasing breast milk supply. It's important for mothers to consult with healthcare providers to find the best and safest options for their individual needs.
Thank you, doctor, for these valuable insights. Any final message for our listeners?
I encourage all mothers to seek support and information about breastfeeding. It's one of the best things you can do for your baby's health and your own well-being. Let's work together to create a supportive environment for breastfeeding in India.
Thank you, Dr. Vaishali Patil, for your message.